इनफैक्ट मेन्यू में है विराट्स फेवरेट एंड आई थिंक वी आर हैविंग सम ऑफ योर फेवरेट्स. What is it exactly? And this doesn't look like a Punjabi food at all.
As you can see, there's a very fancy salad that I prefer having every now and then. But my favorite is the mushroom dumplings.
Yeah, let's have. Should we have?
Absolutely,
something?
yes.
आपने शेफ के साथ बैठकर डिसाइड किया है क्या मेन्यू में होगा एंड ऑल. डिड यू डू दैट?
It has to be a partnership where you can't literally say कि मुझे ये flavor चाहिए, ऐसा ही बनना चाहिए. You know, just say कि मुझे ये चाहिए. Now your skill comes into play, and I think it's done a wonderful job.
ये कैसा है ये अब?
I'll have one as well.